We're gonna do an oat milk matcha latte. So we're gonna bump it up and put some boba in it as well. So we actually found these local. We found these at Walmart this afternoon. So super easy to make. It came with these little packets, packets of the boba to put in there, and it also came with a straw and everything. And we're gonna bump it up a little bit different to the package. So, but we wanted to show you that it was actually easy to find these. We weren't sure when we first did this that they would be easy to find, but they weren't hard to find at all. So we're gonna put these down in the bottom. These are brown sugar boba. We would, normally I would probably use a brown sugar syrup in this, but we're not gonna do the brown sugar syrup today because it does have a little bit of brown sugar in it. So we're going with an extra creamy oat milk, and we're gonna put about 1.25 cups to 1.5 cups. Your recipe says unsweetened. This one is not unsweetened. All right, so we're gonna put about a cup of water in this. Actually, no, about 2 ounces of water. We're not gonna put too much in here.
I think that one should be done.
Yes. And then our trusty milk frother again. So you're getting it pretty frothy in here. And then we're gonna give it a little bit of ice just to cool it down some. Since we're putting almost boiling in there.
Who's this? Who's this? Who wanted this? Oh, it's a new person. That's why. Maybe I should cook it.
Is this a problem? You're taking everything? Everything? And then what for you?
So we're gonna do this one 2 ways. So we did a cold matcha latte. We're also gonna do a warm. So we're gonna put our oat milk in the microwave for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes, but you really wanna watch it because you don't want it to boil over, and it will boil over really quickly. All right, so we're gonna froth up our oat milk just a little bit after we got it hot. So simple ingredients on this one. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla to it. Actually, no, we're gonna add some maple to this one. So hot oat milk, we're gonna add a little bit of maple syrup to it. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of maple syrup in here. So hot version of the same thing.